Welcome to Colossus mathematics class. We are continuing on the topic geometry. So in the last class, we discussed about ellipse, and so in today's class, we're talking about hyperbola. So when we discuss on ellipse, we said that under ellipse, that our eccentricity under ellipse is always what less than 1. So under hyperbola now, our eccentricity rather is always greater than 1. And hyperbola have a standard equation to be x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equals to 1. So we are going to see some examples under this today as we continue. So if I'm to get my eccentricity, how will I do it? That will be b squared equals to a squared open bracket e squared minus 1. So you have to know that this is for hyperbola. For eccentricity, we discussed about it in the last class, so you can check out the video to understand the way ellipse is being done. So let's see an example under this. So let's say I have a question x squared over 9 minus y squared over 16 equals to 1. So if I'm to find eccentricity, so I want to find the eccentricity, coordinate foci, and I'm finding eccentricity, coordinate foci, and the other last part which we did under eccentricity. So how will I get my eccentricity first? Very simple. From your equation, you have x squared over what? Over a squared minus y squared over b squared equals to 1. So that means automatically from here, my a squared is what? Is 9. And my b squared is what? 16, right? So I can say that my a here, if you square root both sides, my a will be what? 3, and my b is going to be what? 4. So that is that's our a and b there. So for you to get your eccentricity, you apply this formula. So applying this formula, that will be what? B squared equals to what? A squared open bracket e squared minus 1, right? So how will you apply it to this formula? How will you apply it to the formula? That will be, what's your b squared? 16 equals to, what's your a squared? 9 open bracket e squared, which is what you are looking for, minus 1 close bracket. So that will be 16 equals to 9 e squared minus 9. So that will be 16 minus 9. 16 plus 9, because when minus cross it turns to plus, equals to 9 e squared. And 16 plus 9 is what? 25 equals to 9 e squared. So divide both side by 9. If you have your e squared to be equals to what? 25 over 9. And then e will now be square root of what? 25 over 9. The square root of 25 is 5, while the square root of 9 is what? Is 3. So that is our eccentricity. Now if you check this out, you will see that your eccentricity is greater than 1, because 5 divided by 3 will give you 1 point some value. 1 over 3 will give you 1 point some values. So that's our eccentricity under this question. So the next thing I need to get is the coordinate foci. So I'm sure you remember the formula for coordinate foci. For our coordinate foci, the formula is plus or minus a over e. So plus or minus a over e. What's your a? The a is 3 divided by our e, which is what? 5 over 3. So and that now be 3 divided by 5 over 3, and that's 3 times 3 over 5, and that's what? 9 over 5. So this is your coordinate vocal. So that's your coordinate vocal. So the next thing you need to get is the equation of the directive. Equation of directive, which is what? AE. You know that that one is what? AE. And what is your A? Your A is what? 3. And your B, your E is what? 5/3. And that will be what? 5, because 3 will cancel 3 here. And so that will be 5. So this is everything you need to know under hyperbola. So this is all you need to know under hyperbola. Go ahead and try out this question. You can try this out. So this is x squared over 25 minus y squared over 144 equals to 1. So try this out. You can comment your answer in the comment section. I'll be there to check it and give you the right answer. Thank you very much once again.